Yes, sisi a ɔman Ghana, ɔman a yɛte mu no. Opa adeɛ a yɛfrɛ no gold pa ɛyɛ deɛ ɛda screen so no. Ntos. Ɛndɛ ɛne na ɛyɛ gold ɛwɔ Ghana. Na me deɛ na menim because meyɛ bɛrima. Bɛrima deɛ mendi dwa. Weekend Saturday me wɔ hɔ ana me maame ɔde ntos no brɛ me. Ɛna me gye ntos no gu me nsɛm a me di twa picture. Nti picture ne na ɛda screen nti we ɛnyɛ sɛ obi se me se me se me nsa ɛna ɛwɔ hɔ no. Me nsa ɛna ɛwɔ hɔ no. Ntos no ɛna ɛda me nsɛm no. Na asɛm a wɔka atrɛ me sɛ ɔkɔtɔ ntos. Ntos no ɔkɔɛ no baako pɛ no nyaayɛ. Ɛyɛ sɛn a yɛse 4 cedis. Nti saa ntos wei baako sɛ 4 cedis. Nti wokɔ dwam sɛ wokɔtɔ ntos a yɛde akyɛw kraa miɛnsa 10 cedis. Yɛde akyɛw no no miɛnsa 10. Ba open no baako sɛ ya yɛbɛtɔn ama 4 cedis. Ebi mo kraa tɔn no baako 5 cedis. Nti obi a wɔtɔn no baako 5 cedis no na kyerɛ sɛ mienu ɛyɛ 10 cedis. Tiɛndɛ sɛ wobi ɛbɛyɛ aduane na wɔde ntos ankasa aka ho ɛdin. Tiɛndɛ nnuane bebree tin tomatoes no mode yɛ. Tin tomatoes nso ɛyɛ canned food. Obi a wotai follow me health and fitness channel no. Asɛm a ɛyɛ ameka ɛne sɛ wopɛ sɛ o health egyina so na utumi lose weight yie a saa canned food ne saa processed foods ne na no also utwa go. So today, due to hardships in this country, we are not even able to live healthy. Because the raw foods, and anke what say you use to say tomatoes no, and no ne boy a thing. Ama sisi a you be using tomatoes rather than tomatoes. But you see, that is not even my problem. Do you know what my problem is? We live in a country where we spend millions of dollars in the name of planting for food and jobs. It's therefore, if after 8 years of President Akufo-Addo, we are in his 8 years, now a common food as in toast, you are spending millions of dollars in a project a year friend of planting for food and jobs. Say so the taxpayers' money, ye the sika Ghana for sika pudwo millions, hundreds and millions of dollars. Say ye the shame, say ye the dia inyane. Na ma eduane bo ayefo e wo man ni mu. Na in your last year, ye ton in toast baako say 4 cedis a, you are a complete failure. And any kwan say wo ka asem bia na Ghana for ete, you don't even have to speak. Because the evidence is right in front of you. You are a complete failure. What bon? You have disappointed Ghanaians. What was the essence of the planting for food and jobs? If and there in toast, baako say 4 cedis. And this is exactly why you can say the planting for food and jobs, no, it was just an avenue for corruption. Because if something as simple as in toast, then you fail it totally. Do you know what the problem is? I'm going to tell you the problem. Ghana, eban in toast, we are not self-sufficient. In toast, we are not self-sufficient. We depend on eban in toast, depend on Burkina Faso. Ni ntokwesi ewo Burkina Faso. Indiana President Akufo-Addo okwa America for a woko kasa no. Ye mu bi ba bonte beka ten se president hwe yi na Burkina Faso na wo kwa kom ho asem no. Wo no wo man intos mu depend on mo mo so. Wan hwe yi a ommema intos bo aye den ama mo Ghana ma mo beti nti wo kwa abrochi na ofiu se wakwa kohia amrofofo nti wo kaseti Burkina Faso a omubufu no mu close mo border sisi a wo man no mo aso be de mo aso be hye. But they told us Omoba planting for food and job will solve these issues. will solve issues at Ebema Ghana, you are self-reliant. This is one of the reasons in here. This is one of the reasons in here. Hey, Ghana won. Yamfa politics into Nchenwati. Let us put politics aside. And let us speak truth to power. In which country will you intentionally tell us you are using this amount of money for a project like this, and at the end of the day, still end up in a failure? Tell me, planting for food and jobs, don't, mami, eduane baako a planting for food and jobs, don't, amane bo ayefo, ewo krom ha. Tell me. Tell me. Food stuff, baako a planting for food, no, amane bo ayefo, ewo krom ha, ebro. And ebro, some me do ebro. For those who don't know, me do ebro. I'm a farmer. For the new people here who don't know, me do a bro. Uni me bro boy ding. And I have a channel for that. Senya me watch channel Emma me health and fitness we are mumu bebe mo subscribe no. Me sanso watch channel Emma me efumu me ko efumu ha me twa videos na me dey ato no me nyamfa channel into ha. But some of you have seen that channel also. Ma me nyamfa into ha. Minyan fasa channel ne ento ha. Ati ase. And no later maybe one day be ebi eba makoma se me fanto a me de sa channel beto anti me ko efu mu a eno so mu be hu se oh melodies ni oba na oba be kasa bo empenyufo na chi wi a ono nso ko na efu mu ekokodo na mu ehu. Ebro uni me bro bo ayeden e wo krom ha. Ebro Edian planting for food and yom treme adie baako a ama eswate ebro enumti ende kenke baako 5 cedis. But our politicians see a Greek minister see ni na eba betena se no mo kasa te said ye enye ye ni yeto nyama we wo krom ha. Why? Because omo ne de chiche omo free. And as no a Greek minister no onto intos. A Greek minister won't to intos. A Greek minister won't to bayre. In Crawford, the bed brand wo ministry ho, ye the bed chenny free. On top. Into not in the office, so I know by catcher and so nyama bofo, now so yenye kokuruma. In two we say 4 cities. 4 cities. Four cities. And ra melodies ebusiani awo abrochire efreme. Na ye din komo na me ni din komo ka asema trend about the living in Ghana. America trend say Ghana ankasa Nyankopon ehirayin. Nyankopon ehirayin with survival skills. In a sense, emuya din say the enkra we have our own ways of surviving. But no kwai ni nyame anim ni. This time around, hey, it is not easy. The Catherine said this time around is the very first time I won't. Me who say, and I'm not saying this in a denigrating way, but this time around, the very first time I me who say, in Crawford, omubu omoho, omu we juma pa eye, nansing, omu ababe da nesebe, omu de at the end of the month, omu de sikasre, aka womu juma ho. First no, obi a woni juma ye, a woni hwiyo, ene be sresre sika o. Nanso ende Ghana no, nipa kunu we juma ye. Ye tiana aketua na nke yebeka at least tiana 3,000 cedis. But osheshe hu no ye bibia area by the first week of the month no sika ni na akọ. Nti afi na ato ne sikasre no obisa ne na mfo chale untumi nsane me 1,000 bi no obisa we chale send me 500 bi o no obisa we enye omo fault. You see, people don't have anywhere to go, especially men. People are suffering in this country. And the people who seem to be enjoying life, your mom, some of your use legit way, use illegal ways, no munye sikano. International tempting crofwa, why not just a media midimenica nebe juma, and the temptiomo. Temptiomo. Because if you saw no illegal way, no, or dibro ni sika dollars, into a banner no nania, still I baby a man into no de onte ya no, but nipa chrome yan ni. Hey, Ghana. Don't try to comment box. It has it.